right there in the middle of her neck. Is that the first time you've ever felt something like that?
Yeah.
Good. Good. How was that?
It hurts so good.
Okay. Good. Good, nice. Beautiful. Good. There you go. Much better. Good.